Discovered a lot of children in New Zealand are growing up now born here and not being able to speak Samoan, and a lot of the community was starting to be concerned that the language was being lost, and we thought the best way to start would be with preschool children. And so a group of community leaders and interested parents got together and talked about it and gradually formed a committee, and we approached the resource centre and they offered us a room and we started.
For the last 40 odd years, it's been an amazing job because I'm with children, and every day when I arrive I get greeted with hugs and kisses and smiles and laughter, and that's been so precious and wonderful. And I think the other thing is watching the children develop and grow as they move on into the Samoan unit in the school, and then later on in life, having them now come back with their own children to come here. The other thing is working with wonderful women, feeling like you're part of an ainga, I guess, with all the families and teachers and governing committee. You know, it's just been really, really special.
Le mea mua o le iloa le o le Aoga ia e le matua galuega le fai mo whanau o lo vaai o maita maiti o le fia a o lato ngana ma loa le nganu e o sosoani le e iloa ai ia lato whaasinomanga e se mea fia le ia taeao o le vaai le o tupua ai tato whanau e loa ia lato whaasinomanga. Ia ai le ngata fo ina o le ngā lua whaatasi mātua maainga pe ia o le te tono se ainga i tono la o. Ia a tono ni mea ngā o te fia i tono le aonga nei.
With a 40-year legacy, all right, I have very solid foundations on which to continue, extend and to build on. I think the most important thing that I need to do is to ensure that the basis of what this early childhood centre is about, which is nurturing our children with our Samoan language and culture, continues. It's also really important that we hold our space in this ever decreasing brown space of Ponsonby. This is where all our forefathers started, and hopefully we may long continue within this space. So holding space is very important. I also feel that with a lot of research that has been happening in regards to children having bilingual abilities and multilingual abilities, we're also in the forefront of a lot of that research.
Oh, this book is a book basically about the 40-year history of New Zealand's first ever licensed Pacific early childhood education centre, and the journey it's been on in the last 40 years. 885 children have been blessed to go through the Aoga, have been blessed to learn about this culture because that small group of parents had that dream.
Ia lava le li ia ina tō na amataina mai le amatanga ia o mai le ia so ia ia Janice tau uma pa afitai le loto tele pa afitai le loto toa mali fa tua ile tua wa maua ia le maftanga matango fie le ne afia o le fa ai longa ina o le fast food sanga le Aoga Fa'asamoa
Aoga Fa'asamoa means a lot to me because it's a continuum of our language here in Aotearoa.
Allow the Aoga Fa'asamoa to recognize our values, Whānoalo, Tautua and Alofa.
Aoga Fa'asamoa means everything to us, especially the continuation of our language, our cultural identity.
The Aoga Fa'asamoa means to me excellence, it means to me family, it means also just the continuation of our culture here in Aotearoa.
I hope it continues with the values that we have here, Tautua, Alofa, Alo. Hope they will still prevail and be honoured. I hope that we continue the roles of transition into the school program for the children, just to see, I think, a continuation of how we've come over the years, and that to continue onwards. And, you know, to continue with wonderful teachers, which is very hard to get, so we need to look after them. And just continuing with the family feeling, the Aoga feeling that we have here. I would hope that would continue.